Now just hold on a second. I'll see if your rooms are ready. Ellie, the guests are here. Are the rooms ready?
Yep, the rooms are spick and span clean, and the pool is also clean and Cannonball ready as specifically requested. I wonder who it is. I can't wait.
Wait. You haven't heard who's here?
Ellie, I made it! Casey, oh my gosh, I'm so happy you're here. Welcome to Hotel Ellie, where maximum fun is guaranteed 110%.
Hey, Ellie! I have arrived, and boy, am I looking forward to this. I've really been needing a vacation. So, I trust that your swimming pool is Cannonball ready?
Sorry about that one, Ellie. He insisted on coming along.
Jimmy, I'm so happy to see you. Yep, the pool is Cannonball ready as you specifically requested.
Totally awesome! So, Ellie, your brochure promised that there would be maximum fun. Am I right about that?
Yeah, but come on, Jimmy, that's just a saying.
Ellie promised maximum fun, so I plan on having the maximumest amount of fun that I can. Is my room ready?
Sure. Let me help you with your bags. Boy, these sure are heavy for such a short stay.
Come on, Casey, I'll show you to your room. Oh, sweet! First dibs on a bedroom.
4 bags? You think 4 measly bags is cool? Ha! Mere peanuts. Wait till you see what I brought.
Come on in, Casey. This is your room. Whoa, you gave me your bedroom. I love it. Yep, it had to be super special for my very first guest. Here's my bed that you're gonna be sleeping in. It's got my very best bedding, super fluffy. And over here, I provided some extra wardrobe options from my own very special collection, just in case you wanted to change things up. And over here, I have some decorations, like this painting, and oh, come in.
Sorry to interrupt you, Miss Ellie, but we have a big problem. Somebody isn't happy with his room.
Well. What do we have here? Casey gets the biggest, brightest room in the whole hotel, and I'm stuck in the baby room? Is this how you treat your #1 guest?
Well, technically, Casey was here first, so she's the #1 guest.
Oh, yeah, you heard it here first, folks. Casey #1, Jimmy #2.
Okay, but let's get something straight. Jimmy is #1 at everything, and that includes this.
Why did I get the bigger room then?
Well, I don't know. Clearly, there's some
should've
kind of
gotten
big
out of the
mistake
car.
going on.
Okay, guys, I want to settle this fair and square. So how about we do some sort of challenge or something to see who gets the room? How about this? If Casey can make 1 shot with the basketball hoop, she gets to pick the room.
Ellie, I don't play basketball. I play soccer. Remember?
I accept. Here you go, soccer girl. Best of luck. I'll just start fixing up my bed here.
You know what? I think I'm gonna use this.
Are you sure about that, Casey? It might be easier with the basketball.
Don't worry, I got this. I was practically born holding a soccer ball.
A soccer ball in the basketball hoop. That's too good. All right, be my guest. I gotta see this.
You got this?
Goal! Yes!
Oh, do over. The rules of basketball explicitly state that you cannot use a soccer ball in the basketball hoop.
Oh, but Jimmy, I said 1 shot. I didn't say whether it had to be a soccer ball or a basketball or any other kind of ball. So Casey gets to keep the room.
Oh, this isn't over. You haven't heard the last of me.
What an amazing pool. Ellie sure knows how to run a hotel, huh?
She sure does. I tell you what, Casey, that whole argument we had earlier, I've completely forgotten all about it. I mean, everyone hits a lucky shot once in a million years.
Yeah, who cares about Casey 1, Jimmy 0? Let's just enjoy this amazing pool, huh?
Hey guys, hope you're enjoying your stay at Hotel Ellie so far. As part of our impeccable pool service, we have a waiter here who can help you with anything that you want. Feel free to give him a call.
Do you hear that, Jimmy? We can get anything we want. Let's test this out, huh?
It does sound good, but I don't know about you, but when I got a whole pool to myself, that's everything I could want in the entire world. I'm a simple man. In fact, I think now I'm gonna go break the school cannonball record. See you later.
Okay, suit yourself.
Cannonball! Cannonball! Yes! It's official! It's official! The biggest cannonball in school history! How do you like that, Casey? Now we're tied 1-1. Does life get any better than this? Oh, I see you all came out to watch me break the school record for most cannonballs. That's really nice of you. So, Casey, are you super jealous? You know, now that we're 1-to-1.
Sorry, Jimmy, I didn't even see it. I was too busy eating all this awesome food that Coach Rocco kept bringing over.
Wait a second, Jimmy. You broke the school cannonball record in my hotel? Oh my goodness, this is gonna be great press for the hotel. Hotel Ellie, the premier destination for cannonballs.
You should have seen all the food she ordered. I'm surprised you didn't order anything, Jimmy.
Well, I was obviously busy, you know, breaking records. But now that I'm almost done, I think I'll have some of that food myself. One of your finest pizzas, please. Ooh, and one of those sundaes that Casey was eating too.
Ooh, sorry about that, Jimmy. The pool kitchen is now officially closed. You're gonna have to go inside if you want to have any food.
What? No food? Oh, but I'm starving after all those cannonballs.
You know, all this time by the pool has me pooped. I'm gonna call it a day and head to my room. You know, the big one.
Good idea. I'm gonna clean up this mess.
Yeah, feel free to keep swimming if you want, Jimmy. Break more records, too. Hotel Ellie's pool is never closed. See you later.
All right, Casey, well, just remember, now that I'm the school cannonball record holder, that means we are officially 1-to-1. I guess there's just one thing left to do. Cannonball!
Oh man, I can't believe our stay is already over.
I know, it was cut way too short, but you're welcome to come back to Hotel Ellie anytime. Ooh, by the way, where'd you end up in your competition?
Well, let's see. The final score was Jimmy 12, Casey 12. Uh-oh, that means we tied. We need one more competition to determine who's the ultimate winner.
Yeah, but what would we even do? I mean, we made a competition out of literally everything we could.
Oh, I have the best last competition. It's called the Polishing the Forks game.
Oh no, Coach Rocco, not this game, not on the last day.
Oh, come on. Everybody loves this game, and it's super easy. You just polish the forks as fast as you can. Whoever polishes the most wins.
Oh, just make sure you don't put this in the reviews, okay? I don't want anybody thinking that going to Hotel Ellie means you have to polish forks.
Ready? On your marks, get set, go! See? You gotta polish them so clean that you see your own reflection. See?